Yo, what's good, my people? Listen, let's get to this money. This is your year. Let's get to it, man. Enough of the motivational talk, though. This is really your year. If you make it your year, man, I promise you, it could be the best one you ever had. So listen, eating those zones 2.0, eating in the markets, whole family eating, everybody eating is looking good. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't looking good for you right now, it will just keep on going. Trust me when I tell you, it's so much doper on the other side of failure. You know what I'm talking about? But listen, before we get into this video, I got to give you a scripture of the day. So I'm going to go with 1 Thessalonians 5:15. Make sure nobody pays back wrong for wrong, but always try to be kind to each other and to everyone else. Listen, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. You know what I mean? You don't like getting done wrong, don't do wrong. You feel me? Yeah, people do you wrong, try your best to do right by them anyway. You know what I'm saying? Because God's going to honor that. You feel me? All right, so let's get to this video, man. I love y'all. I'm just in a good space, bro. I'm in a good space, man. So let's get to it. Yo, what's good, my people, man? Let me show y'all the kind of day my wife just had. So she was trading inside the sauna. You know what I'm saying? And then look, 12K profit, 100% profitable trades, 12K profit for the day. Stop playing with my bag. Stop playing with it. I just wanted to show y'all that, man, before we get to it. I already made like $300 and something for the day. 390. That was live with the team when I decided to trade some zones 2.0. Missed two nasty entries, man, because I was too busy hype with the wife. Man, came in here and missed some entries that was fire. This one was fire, and then this one was definitely fire off the zones 2.0 signal. So I'm like, bruh, look at that. They called that buy right at the bottom. This is just beautiful. All right, so now let me try to find. This is on sale, by the way, still until April 15th. All right, people keep asking for extensions, and I'm trying to give it to the people, man. I want y'all to eat, bro. You know what I mean? This is asking for sales. I'm about to just start hopping in. Entry number 1. All right, we're not gonna play no games with it. We're gonna get in there like it say. Entry number 1. All right. I found out, hesitation, man. Sometimes it's good, but a lot of times it's just bad, man. Go with your first instinct and hop in that thing. I got 4 entries. You know what I'm saying? So when I'm doing zone 2.0, I got 4 entries. All right. So at least got to get the first one out the way, get the jitters out. It's like, I want to get in. Nah, just get in there for that first one. And then from there, you can mark up. You know what I mean? So tell them stop playing with us. I feel like this may be a go. Let me go look at Euro GBP. Let's see what this one talking about. Nah, that percentage is too low for you, boy. But this is a go. Zones 2.0, man. If you ain't got the software, why don't you have it yet? You feel me? Why don't you have it yet? Come on, 3, 2, 1. Don't do this to me now. Money. There you go. Easy money. Now we at 34,000. Now we at 34,000. Which one was this? This was AUD. Bingo. Right here. I'm gonna hit you with a fire today. Man, the people been loving it, man. We can go up to the results. All right, and we can just see hearts, loves. We got a couple heartbrokens. Some people may not be doing the 4 entry rule, a lot of fires, a lot of loves, a lot of all of that. You know what I mean? Just all the way up. People been enjoying the software, man. You know what I'm saying? Again, it ain't 100%, but I tell you right now, I feel like it's about 85, 90 some days. You know what I'm saying? 95 some days. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. That thing go up. You know what I'm saying? It just go off the market conditions too, though. It just kind of depends on what Trump got going on. All that, you know what I mean? But we here. All right. So let me see if any of these other ones is looking good. I just want y'all to keep trading, man. I want y'all to keep going. Have some self-control, discipline about yourself. Stick to your plan, man. Because I'm telling you, this thing right here, it's a blessing from God, boy. It's a blessing from the Lord himself to be able to do this every day. So we're just going to sit around and wait for something else to pop up that's good enough. You know what I mean? But again, man, the system has been a blessing to so many people, y'all. So many people, bro. I get testimonies literally every single day of people just saying how it's blessed their life, how they way more profitable now, And again, if you're not profitable using it, again, it's not a must. You don't have to use it. But if you want to be profitable with it, just keep using it, man. Just keep using it. Some stuff you might have to understand. But again, always use the 4 entry rule. And you're going to be all right. All right. So, trying to wait till something come in, so I'm gonna pause and then I'll come back when something else pop in. All right, we had EURAUD pop in. Let's see. Hopefully the percentage is good on this one. Nah, it's only 28% trash. But look, let's just check out the updated profit now. 579 for the day. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? Not bad. So we're gonna see. I just need a good percentage one, man. And I might be able to go stew on that one and just call it a day after that. You know what I mean? Do my results of the day and get up out of there. You feel me? See what we got popping off in these streets today. This one is pushing. See, I could actually entertain this one without using the software, because that one is beautiful. I actually would do it, but I'm just trying to do the software just to show y'all the vibes, man. 81, good enough. All right, 81. They saying buys. I feel like it could push a little bit more, but I could be wrong. So let me do my first buy. I'm gonna do 2 of them right here, just in case. I might just go stew on this one. 81, might as well. You know what I'm saying? Got to go with your first instinct. Because sometimes I hesitate. Like, I feel like it could push down a little bit more and end up shooting up. And I'm like, dang, I missed that one. So it is what it is. If it shoot down again, I got 4 entries. All right. So we did have heavy rejection on this one already, though. So we could definitely push down. And then from here, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go mark these zones up at the on the M15. Mark that up. Mark a couple of these joints up right here. Probably somewhere in there. And I'm gonna let it do what it do. All right, let it do what it do. I feel like the zigzag wants to form here anyway, eventually. So let's see. All right, first entry out the way. Let's see if we make it into 4 entries. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we gonna go, right? Well, let's go then. If we gonna go, we gonna go. So second entry. Time to get busy. Time to get busy. Put these, that's where I start going to mark up. Like, okay, cool. Some, like I said, you're gonna have some that's just ready. You're gonna have some that's gonna make you work. Some that's gonna be ready, some gonna make you work. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be willing to work. But as long as you got your zones up, you should be confident, you should feel solid. The market gonna do what it's gonna do, baby. So you gotta be ready for everything. But look at that. Look at that, boy. Looking good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run me my paper. Run me my paper on my let's freaking go. Nah, that gots to be about $1,000. You know what I'm saying? Gots to put me over $1,000 for the day. You dig? And that's how you do that, man. I'm almost to my goal. I was gonna do another 35 and then withdraw 20, but I may go a little higher. We just gonna see. May go a little higher. We just gonna see, man. So show you this. This was earlier. All right, so from here, boom, 220. Missed that. Got this. Easy money. Easy money. Shout out to Zones 2.0. AUD USD. I'm gonna hit you with a fire as well. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you for paying my bills today. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm gonna come back. We're gonna see what this do. I'm gonna let it update and then I'll be back. Y'all, I forgot I was only doing 81%. So I forgot about that. So yeah, 852. I take it. You know what I'm saying? $852 today. Easy money. You know what I mean? If that was 92%, it would have been over 1,000. But I appreciate my 81%. You know what I'm saying? I had to take what I had to take. I think that's why I went a little riskier, because it was 81%. That's what it was. But yeah, 852 ain't bad, man. That's a good old day. We're gonna stop right there. And I'm almost to the goal, baby. But what I want to say is I want to make sure y'all do not stop this trading thing. I get people saying, oh, I'm done, I give up. I mean, you never really wanted it anyway. You feel me? If you're giving up already, if you ain't been in this thing 11, 12 years, I don't want to hear your mouth. You know what I'm saying? If you've been in longer than me and you still ain't profitable, I can hear you out. But if you ain't been in longer than me, I don't want to hear nothing. You know what I'm saying? Keep them comments to yourself, because I don't like crybabies and I don't like people to give up. So if you one of them people, yeah, you don't belong in this industry. No way. You feel me? This for the people who really gonna get it no matter what, who gonna make sure their family's straight no matter what, who ain't got no excuses, and we just gonna keep getting results over and over. Every loss turns into a lesson. That's what I want y'all to know. Every loss. Every time you blow an account, you should learn something. and keep learning and keep learning and keep growing. And eventually, hey, you'll wake up and it's just gonna click and you're gonna be in there, and then you're gonna be telling somebody else that's just getting started your journey when they feel like they want to give up, and you're like, man, I feel the same way. But I didn't, and now look at the fruits of my labor. I didn't tell you I did, but I'm actually getting ready to buy another whip. You know what I mean? With my profits, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'll reveal which one and what kind and all that. And I'll probably start vlogging again on my vlog channel. See, I'll probably get that over there. You know what I mean? Because I'm about to be done with my live trading as of tomorrow. I won't be live. I live traded with everybody for like a year and a half, and that's going to be over with tomorrow. Gave away $4,000 this week. Beautiful thing. I love my peoples, man. We're going to rock out in the free group, and we're going to chop it up. So I ain't really leaving them, but I'm just not doing a live trading, because I'm about to really turn up on content and really be able to help people in a whole nother way. So that's what we on, man. So stay on the lookout, man. But again, if you ain't got Zones 2.0, you tripping, bro. This is easy money. Y'all see it. I mean, it's giving out plays all day long. It's just, are you going to take them? That's all I got to say, man. But yeah, if you need your boy, holler at me on Instagram, JCashTV. Holler at me in the email. Whatever you got to do, man, to make sure you get what you need to get. That's what I'm here for. I want to make sure you get what you need to get and when you need to get it. You know what I'm talking about? Holler at your boy. Peace.